हरे कृष्ण नमो विष्णुपदा कृष्णपृष्ठा भूतले श्रीमती भक्ति वेदांते स्वामी इति नामिने नमस्ते सरस्वती देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणी निर्विशेष शून्यवती पाश्चात्य देहतानी. So today I'm gonna discuss the shlok number 2.47 from Bhagwad Gita, content of the Gita summarized, and this is the most misquoted and probably one of the most popular shloka from Bhagavad Gita. So I would try to explain, and my inspiration is from Bhagavad Gita as it is ISKCON Srila Prabhupada book. So let's first of all quote it. कार्मण्ये एवधिकारस्ते मा फलेषु कदाचना मा कर्म फला हेतुर्भुर माते संगो स्थ अकर्माणि. Again, कार्मण्येवधिकारस्ते मा फलेषु कदाचना मा कर्म फला हेतुर्भुर माते संगो स्थ कर्माणि. तो इस श्लोक के अंदर बेसिकली क्या बताया गया है? लेट मी एक्सप्लेन यू, ट्रांसलेट इन इंग्लिश. सो यू हैव अ राइट टू परफॉर्म योर प्रेस्क्राइब्ड ड्यूटी, and we must notice that word, prescribed duty. So but you are not entitled to the fruit of action, so never consider yourself to be the cause of the result of your activities. You are not the cause of the result of your activities, and never be attached to not doing your duty. So how do we see this thing? What perspective? See, mostly people say कर्म करे जा फल की चिंता मत कर. इसको they quote it like this, and mostly they quote the first line only, first two line, and they don't quote the second two line. I have recently seen many videos of, and they were like that. They did not describe the complete meaning of this sloka. Some deliberately and some unknowingly, I think. So what is the complete meaning? So here Lord Krishna is saying to Arjuna that you have right to perform your prescribed duty, but you are not entitled to the fruit of action. Means that you can do your karma, but you are not entitled to the fruit of your action. Like a teacher in the school, say you give exam, ultimately he checked and he gives number, right? So when you work in the office, take another example, you have a prescribed duty, you cannot do according to yourself. So prescribed duty means karma, which come under the rightness and prescribed by God. These are prescribed duty. You cannot do it on your own, and then you have fruit of action, but you are not actually unbound from this fruit of action. You are bound to that fruit of action. You have to take another birth or another birth to take the fruit of the karmas. Maybe you get it in this birth or another birth. So this is not free. It is also, there is a bond. And another thing is called vikarma. Vikarma is that you don't do in tune with the nature, or you can say you don't do the prescribed duty, and these are called vikarma, which are not right, like the mercilessly killing of animals in the crowds of number. So killing human being, or like another kind of crime. So these are vikarma. These are called vikarma. And another term is that akarma. Akarma means the action which is neutral. What is the meaning of neutral? Neutral means that you will not be bound to the result of that fruit of that action. That is called akarma. Akarma can take you to the salvation, because it will free you from the bond of material world. So that is akarma. So there are the three kind of karma: akarma, akarma, and vikarma. So first you have you have to understand. Now never you consider yourself to be the cause of the result of your activities, and never be attached to. If you don't do your duty, then it is also a sin. You have to do your duty. So Lord Krishna is clearly saying that never be attached to not doing your duty. So if you say that If we are not the cause, then why should we do karma? We should stay in a neutral mode. We should not do any karma. But that is not complete shloka. Then never be attached to not doing your duty. If you don't do your duty, that is also a sin. Mate sanga stha akarmani. So this is the actual description of the whole shloka. Maybe forgive me because I'm not a very learned scholar, but as far as I understood, I tried to describe this shloka, very beautiful shloka, and it is very highly misquoted because लोग कहते हैं कि कर्म करे जा फल की चिंता मत कर. बट पूरा सेंटेंस क्या है कि कर्म जो करने हैं वो भगवान को केंद्र में रख के करने हैं. यू हैव टू टेक लॉर्ड कृष्णा इन द सेंटर. प्रेस्क्राइब्ड ड्यूटी इज द वर्ड, नॉट ड्यूटी. So that is how people misquote it, or maybe they don't read it thoroughly. So I would recommend the Bhagwad Gita as it is book, because it is as it is. Focus on that word, as it is. It is not altered. So like a postman, a true devotee of Lord is like a postman. He comes and deliver you the message of God. He comes and deliver you the message of Bhagavad Gita, like Srila Prabhupada did. He postman does not take money from your telegram, or he does not extend your writing things, right? Postman work is to post the letter to the person. That is the work of postman. That's why Bhagavad Gita as it is the best, because it is not altered. It is not actually there are plenty of Bhagavad Gita in the market, but only this Bhagavad Gita is not altered. It's written by the true devotee of Lord Srila Prabhupada. So Srila Prabhupada ki jai. And Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna.